Are you running low on battery and looking for a quick way to extend it? Enabling low power mode on your iPhone is a simple but effective way to conserve battery when you need it the most. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of turning on low power mode on your iPhone. Let's dive in and get started. Solution 1. Enable low power mode from settings. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down the list of options until you see battery and tap on it. After that, toggle the low power mode switch to the on position. You'll know it's turned on because the switch will turn yellow. Now your iPhone is on low power mode, which will help save battery life. Solution 2. Enable low power mode from Control Center. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. Then tap the plus icon to open customization options. After that, find low power mode in the list and tap Add to include it into your Control Center. Now you will be able to turn low power mode on or off directly from the Control Center whenever you need it. By following these steps, you'll easily enable low power mode and enjoy a longer lasting battery. Let me know if this guide helped or if you have any other questions. I'm happy to help.